In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out in Monopoly Go, a process that's very quick and easy, so make sure to follow along. I will also show you some of the main ways you can earn money or cash in Monopoly Go, helping you build more landmarks and advance on the boards. To get started, it's important to explore the bank heists and shutdowns, which are some of the best ways to earn quick money in Monopoly Go. By attacking or interacting with other players, you can earn cash through successful heists or shutdowns. For example, one time I managed to steal money from someone on my friends list by simply rolling around the board and landing on a special spot. This is one of the thrilling aspects of the game. Every roll holds the potential for a big payout when you hit these lucrative spots. Rolling around the board and using your dice daily is incredibly effective for earning cash in Monopoly Go. The more you roll, the more chances you have to land on those rewarding spaces. This is why it's vital to log in every day and use up your dice to ensure they don't accumulate. By consistently doing this, you maximize every opportunity to increase your cash reserves without letting any chances slip away. Another way to acquire money is through quick wins. Think of these as daily and weekly challenges that can be completed to earn valuable rewards. By finishing the first milestone of quick wins, you can earn extra cash, which is a fantastic incentive to keep active in the game. This is why staying active and diligent in logging in every day and using your dice is key. With just a bit of effort, you'll notice these rewards start to add up quickly. Pay attention to special events in the game as they offer lucrative opportunities to earn money. For instance, during a Halloween event, you might receive a bonus card that's related to the event and grants you extra money. Always participate in active events because they often include cash rewards, adding another layer of excitement and reward to your gameplay. Your best strategy is to aim for landing on shutdown and bank heist spots, as they can provide a generous amount of money in a single turn. These opportunities are not only exciting, but also very rewarding, greatly boosting your progress in the game. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to cash out and earn money in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.